Little Sophie was turning 1 year old, and her parents wanted to do something special to celebrate this milestone. They decided to host a baby day themed birthday party. The decorations included cute baby animal balloons, mini diaper cakes, and lots of pink streamers. Guests made onesies, decorating crafts, and played baby animal freeze dance. Everyone sang happy birthday as Sophie dove into a baby blue frosted smash cake. The party was a fun way to celebrate both Sophie's first birthday and Baby Day on May 2nd. Baby Day was created in 2018 to honor babies and raise awareness of issues affecting infants. It also coincides with the beginning of Better Speech and Hearing Month in the United States. Historically, infant mortality was high due to lack of medical knowledge and resources. Advancements in prenatal and pediatric care have dramatically improved infant health and survival rates over the last century. However, some babies still face challenges like developmental delays, abuse, or prematurity. Baby Day aims to promote the well-being of all infants so they can grow up to reach their full potential. The importance of Baby Day is recognizing that every baby deserves a healthy and happy start in life. It encourages people to support organizations that help at-risk babies in their community. This could include donating money or supplies to children's hospitals, safe surrender sites for newborns, or early intervention programs. People can also advocate for more resources for mental and child health services. Simply sharing information on social media about car seat safety, preventing seats, recognizing signs of developmental delays, or postpartum depression can make a difference. People celebrate Baby Day in various ways. Parents usually focus on their own babies by doing fun activities like making handprint art, enjoying tummy time together, or revealing important child safety information. Moms may be especially pampered with sweet cards or small gifts. Community events take place to raise funds and awareness for baby-related causes through family photo sections, diaper drivers, and parenting education workshops. Celebrities and companies often donate money or supplies to organizations that support babies in need in honor of Baby Day. However individuals choose to observe the day, its purpose comes down to giving every baby the chance to have a bright future and knowing they are cared for. May 2nd is Baby Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Baby Day. Cheers!